According to Drive Tesla, Rivian has revamped its manufacturing to cut costs and improve efficiency. The company shut down its Illinois factory for nearly a month earlier this year. This led to a 35% reduction in material costs for its vans. CEO R.J. Scaring says over 100 steps were removed from the battery-making process and 52 pieces of equipment were eliminated from the body shop. They also cut over 500 parts from the R1T and R1S designs. Rivian's second-generation R1 vehicles now feature in-house built drive units, upgraded software, and simplified battery packs. The new battery packs come in a single piece, reducing complexity and manufacturing time. A new vehicle architecture cuts 1.6 miles of wiring per vehicle, boosting efficiency by 30%. Rivian has yet to achieve a quarterly net profit. The company reported a $1.5 billion loss in the first quarter of 2024. Each vehicle sold incurs a loss of nearly $39,000. Rivian's cash reserves fell by $1.5 billion to just under $8 billion. However, they plan to launch the $45,000 R2 SUV in early 2026. The Illinois plant will produce the R2 SUV, saving $2 billion and accelerating the launch. The R2 model has already garnered over 68,000 reservations within 24 hours. You are listening to UON News.